Student, I am going to solve numericals from light shifter, that is reflection and refraction of light, পোহৰৰ প্ৰতিফলন আৰু প্ৰতিসৰণ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীৰ সুবিধাৰ্থে এইখিনি অসমীয়া আৰু ইংৰাজী দুইটা মাধ্যম বা হিন্দী সকলো কাৰণে সম্ভৱ হ'ব গতিকে তোমালোকে যিখিনি সমস্যা পাইছা মই কৈ দিছো চোৱা so let me start this one. Question is, a concave mirror produced 3 times magnified what? That means enlarged, you can say, real image of object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. Where is the image located? Here given concave mirror অর্থাৎ অবতল দাপন গতিকে অবতল দাপন এখনৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত 3 গুণ এতে কৈছে বিবৰ্ধিত প্ৰতিবিম্ব গঠনৰ সম্ভৱকে কৈছে যেটো নেকি অবজেক্টটো অৰ্থাৎ লক্ষ্যবস্তুটো 10 সেন্টিমিটাৰ আঁতৰত আছে 10 সেন্টিমিটাৰ আঁতৰত আছে so now we have to check this one, where is the image located অৰ্থাৎ প্ৰতিবিম্বটো কোড হ'ব তে আমাৰ হেতুৱে লাগে so now first one is you see solution you write. It is not hard one. See, so magnification we know that অর্থাৎ বিবর্ধনটো আমি জানো you write magnification yes produced by a spherical mirror yes mirror okay is given by the relation you write is given by the relation. Of course you can minimize this line also but আমি বিবর্ধনটো কেনে কই লিয়াম আমি হে বস্তুটো প্ৰথম চাবলাই বিবর্ধন অৰ্থাৎ magnification so which we can symbolize by small f. Magnification tok ami বিবর্ধন tok small m re ami সূচিত কৰো this equal to what this relation you come to know এই সম্পৰ্কটো তোমালকে জানিব লাগিব height it's gst height of the image divided by height of the object okay object অৰ্থাৎ প্ৰতিবিম্বৰ উচ্চতাটোক আমি লক্ষ্যবস্তুটোৰ উচ্চতায় হৰণ কৰি দিলে আমি কি পাম ম্যাগনিফিকেশনটো পাম সো দিস ইকুয়াল টু উই নো দিস ওয়ান এই সম্পৰ্কটোৰ আমি পাম নেগেটিভ মাইনাস ইমেজ ডিসটেন্স image distance divided by object distance that is image I object distance okay distance অর্থাৎ এটো হল কি লক্ষ্যবস্তুৰ দূৰত্ব আৰু প্ৰতিবিম্বৰ দূৰত্ব ওকে লক্ষ্যবস্তুৰ দূৰত্ব প্ৰতিবিম্বৰ দূৰত্ব এতিয়া আমাৰ এটোত আমি কি কব পাৰো so this you can write what m equal to that means magnification equal to what এটো আমাৰ height of the image we can symbolize by h1 yes and height of the object we can symbolize by using h0 okay প্ৰতিবিম্বৰ যেটো উচ্চতা তাক আমি h1 এর আৰু লক্ষ্যবস্তুৰ যেটো উচ্চতা আমি h0 ৰে সূচিত কৰো this equal to what you are getting minus v by u so here u means what image distance not image distance u means object distance and v means image distance u হল লক্ষ্যবস্তুৰ দূৰত্ব আৰু v এ প্ৰতিবিম্বৰ দূৰত্বক সূচিত কৰিছে এইটো তোমালকে জানি ললে হৈ গল ওকে এই বস্তুটো জানিলে আমি এই গুটি অংকটো কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হম ওকে সো let the height of the object okay that is h0 this equal to h okay h বুলি আমি এনেকৈ ধৰি লব পাৰো okay then or therefore you can write then height of the image image, that is h1. So this equal to given what? 3 times. So you write minus 3h. That means image from is real. Image from is real. Okay, এই কথাটো তোমালকে জানিব লাগিব। তেতিয়া আমাৰ এটো ৰিয়েল ইমেজ ফৰ্ম কৰে হৈ গল। So we can write this one is minus thrice h by this equal to h. Yes, this equal to minus v by u. এই সম্পৰ্কটো আমি ৰাখিব লাগে, this relation. Now this implies what? V by u equal to what? This equal to 3. Just do cross multiplication from there. বৰ্জগুণন পদ্ধতিয়ে কৈ দিয়ে এটো ওলাই যায় হল। এটিকে আমি এটা পালো, এটো এই বস্তুটো পাই গলো সেন্টিমিটার। সো অবজেক্ট ডিস্টেন্স অর্থাৎ লক্ষ্য বস্তুৰ দূৰত্বক আমি কিহে সূচিত কৰো? u. This equal to 10 cm. এটো ইয়াত দিছে। Here given see real image of object placed at 10 cm in front. Okay, it. Okay, then you write this one here. So now we can write this one then. Therefore v equal to what? We need v 3 into minus 10. Okay, so this equal to what? Minus 30 centimeter. Therefore you can write here. So reason is what? Here see the negative sign অর্থাৎ ঋণাত্মক চিহ্ন, এটো ঋণাত্মক চিহ্ন বিয়োগ যেটো চিহ্ন আছে হেতু ঋণাত্মক চিহ্ন নেগেটিভ সাইন indicates okay that an inverted inverted image, okay, inverted image is from at a distance of how many centimeter? 10 centimeter, 30 centimeter in front of the given concave mirror. Okay, so this is your answer. Question, it is given that what is given? An object, okay, an object 5 centimeter length is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens. You see, of focal length what? 10 centimeter. Now draw the ray diagram and find the position, size and nature of image from, okay, of the image from. So in this case, for your betterment, I have drawn this diagram. This one diagram will be this one. Now I am going to solve this one. So solution. So here see object distance is given. Object distance. So object distance we must represent by using u. So that is given what? This equal to what given? Held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens. Yes, so that is minus 25 centimeter. Why we are writing minus 25 centimeter? This is most important. So because you can write, I wrote that reason here because what? It is a converging lens. Okay, it is a converging lens, LENS lens. Okay, so that we can write this one. Now object height, that is given, these are given. Now object height, so you can write this is h naught. This equal to what? 5 centimeter length. This one is given. See, from here you try to find out everything from the question. So which one we have to find out, that you write question marks. So which has given here, you just write down this one here. So h not equal to what? 5 centimeter. Now focal length Okay, so small letter f, we are using this one, that is plus 10. This one, see, focal length. So you write this one f, focal length, that is plus 10. So plus no need to write, but I have written here so that you can able to learn easily for other question answers. Now use the length formula. So we have to know this one length formula. So as per or according to, you can write according to length formula. Here you write according to the also, according to the length formula or using length formula. Eta length or সূত্ৰটো প্ৰয়োগ কৰি আমি কি পাম? ইয়াত আমি কি কৰিলো, অবজেক্টৰ উচ্চতাটো, অবজেক্টৰ দূৰত্বটো আৰু ফকেল লেংথিটা আমাৰ ইয়াত দিয়া আছিল, আমি সেই কাৰণে সেইটা উলিয়াই ললো। এতিয়া আমি এটো সূত্ৰটো প্ৰয়োগ কৰি দিম। So as per this one, এই সূত্ৰটো হে আমি পাওঁ 1/v minus 1/u is equal to 1/f. So now we need v. Okay, v is what? Not given here. So that v equal to what? Okay, we must find out v first. Then we can able to solve remaining parts. So this equal to 1/v. This equal to 1/f. Now transfer this one there. Then that will be plus 1/u. So now put the value there. So 1/f. F means what? 10. Okay, here from here you write down this one. And 1/u. U means what? Minus 25. Okay, you write here minus 25. So now one line will be more than this one. Of course you can write first one plus minus minus 1/25. This line also you can write first. Okay, now take LCM from there. Iti ami etut LCM to lobo lage. LCM to loile hobo 10 আৰু 25 or LCM kiman? Okay, 250. Okay, 250. So now to get this one 250 পাবলৈ আমি ইয়াত কি পূৰণ কৰিব লাগিব? হেতু আমি আনিব লাগে আৰু ইয়াত এটো কিমান পূৰণ কৰিব লাগিব এটো কথা হলে, গতিকে আমি 25 25 টো পূৰণ কৰিব লাগিব আৰু ইপিনে কিমান 10 পূৰণ কৰিব লাগে, 10 পূৰণ কৰিব লাগে, minus 10 by 250. Yes, so it will come what? 15 by 250. So this will come what? This one the answer. Okay, this part will come up to here. So now we can write this one what? 15 by 250. So you can write this line also or no need to write also. Now we need the value of v. This is 1/v. See, mind it. Don't worry. 1/v. This implies 1/v. This implies 1/v. Yes. So this implies 1. Then we need v. অর্থাৎ আমাক লাগে প্ৰতিবিম্বটো। এতিয়া প্ৰতিবিম্বটো উলিয়াবলৈ আমি ক্ৰস মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন কৰি দিব লাগে, বৰ্জগুণন পদ্ধতি ইউজ কৰি দিয়া। Then it will come what? 15v. This equal to 250. Yes, 15v. Yes. So now you write this one v equal to what? 250 by 15. Yes. Then this equal to what? Just divide this one to হৰণ কৰি দিয়া। ইয়া হ'ব 1 time 2 6 time point দশমিক দিলো শূন্য হল। Then 6 times same number is coming, then 6 approximate centimeter. Okay, so we have got v. Etia ami image to pai golo. Now what happened? The position, you write the position, that means it is indicating positive side. Yes, positive, nothing is there means positive. So positive side, positive sign indicating what? Positive sign of v shows what? Shows that the image is from okay at the where? At the other side of the lens. See, it is here. I have drawn this one. See, this one is forming here. Okay, this one is forming here. So now we have got this one 16.666. So this distance from here to here, okay, from this lens to this image, distance between these two is what? 16.666. You can write here. Etia lens khonor pra जितु आमार प्रतिबिम्बर दूरत्व हे दूरत्वটো কিমান 16.6 सेंटीमीटर আৰু ইটু কিমান ছিল লক্ষ্য বস্তুৰ পৰা ইয়াৰ দূৰত্বটো আমাক প্ৰশ্নত দি দিছিলে হেতু আছিল 25 সেন্টিমিটাৰ এটা 25 সেন এনে ধৰণে তোমালকে লিখি দিবা ওকে so now what happen you see now magnification so magnification equal to what we will write shortly magnification this equal to what image distance by what object distance okay object distance so what is the image distance this one you see so this equal to what you can write minus v by u so this equal to what then v equal to what we have got this one so you write this one yes minus will come from there 16.66 whole divided by u equal to what we have got there that is 25 yes check here this line yes 25 put the value there 25 so this equal to what then minus so it will not divisible this one then plus 0.66 centimeter okay so now what happened you see so let me explain this one the negative sign is there rinatmok sign to ase it shows that image is real and from behind the lens image to real hobo aru ei lens khonor pisphale ki hobo gothito hobo etu jodi 5 cm asile etu ki hogol 3.3 hoboge আমি এটু বুলিয়ামগে ইয়ার পিছতে উলিয়ে দিমগে গতি এটু কি হবে এই লক্ষ্য বস্তুৰ সাপেক্ষে প্ৰতিবিম্বটো কি হ'ব সৰু হ'ব হলে এটু হল ইউ ওকে এটু হল তোমাৰ ভি ওকে ভি গতিকে লক্ষ্য বস্তুটোৰ সাপেক্ষে প্ৰতিবিম্বটো কি হল সৰু হল আৰু কি হল ওলোটা okay so now we can write this one is like this now again this one negative signs kolo etu kolo negative signs shows that the image is real and from behind the lens etu jodi etu amar mili goise kono dhonor bhul nai okay so now next part so one will did therefore magnification of this one m equal to this one image height okay image height divided by what you can write object height এটা আমরা ডিভাইড কৰি দিলে ওলাই যায় so this equal to what you can write this equal to h1 by h naught yes so this equal to what yes h5 that means you write directly 5 okay 5 therefore we can write this one this implies what h1 equal to what h1 equal to m into h naught okay okay this one m into this one and we need this one okay so this equal to what m equal to what we have got minus 0.66 centimeter so you just write minus 0.66 into 5 this we have got already 5 it is given there yes see 5 okay so now this equal to what minus 3.3 centimeter so now this is also negative sign so you have to write this one the negative value of image that is image height that is image height mind it image height অর্থাৎ প্ৰতিবিম্বটোৰ উচ্চতা এতিয়া আমি এটো কি পালো নেগেটিভ পালো ঋণাত্মক পালো this indicates what this indicate that the image from is inverted and the position size and everything it is given write the ray diagram so I have drawn this one here you see everything is coming properly so this is your answer you try to learn properly first ray diagram you should come to know then you can solve this problem otherwise not actually so from the ray diagram everything is coming so I explain this one briefly of course it is taking time yet you don't worry that it is taking long time you should know this one properly so if you don't know from where we will keep the image and where it will be formed okay that means where we will keep image not where we will keep first object okay লক্ষ্য বস্তুটো আমি কোট ৰাখিম আৰু লক্ষ্য বস্তুটো কোট গঠিত হ'ব অৰ্থাৎ প্ৰতিবিম্বটো লক্ষ্য বস্তুটোৰ সাপেক্ষে কোট গঠিত হ'ব এই কথাখিনি আমি ভাল ধৰণে জানি ল'ব লাগিব okay hope you are understanding properly and remaining part I will not explain, just I am going to show this one. Thank you. So number 11, that is given for your betterment. I am not explaining too much, just I am showing this one so that you can able to practice at your home. So if you face problem, you can ask your teacher. So here given see concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter. So you write f equal to 15. So since that is concave lens, so f equal to what? Focal length will be negative. Okay. And image from 10 centimeter of the lens. So image v equal to what? 10 centimeter minus 10 centimeter. And how far the object placed in the lens? So we have to need this one. U equal to what? U equal to what? So use the lens formula and you can able to solve this one properly. See. Okay. So that will be your diagram. Check this diagram. Don't do mistake while you are drawing down a diagram. Before drawing this any diagram, you just practice again and again. Okay, so that you will not do any mistakes. For this diagram, you need what? Sharp pencil, scale. Okay, don't write again and again. Rubbing means it will mistake one. Okay, and don't forget to give arrow marks while drawing the diagram. A diagram bilak likhote tomalke ghor practice koiba ar pencil dal khub jonga loba jate tat repeat koribologia nohoy karon re diagram bilak ketio bend nohoy, curve nohoy ba etu rubbing koribo nwara. Now next one also given question number 12. Ohomia to ekhini tat dia ase 11 12 tenthone dia ase hemote mo koi disu. So yet kintu mo e part to efale koi dilu sai loba. E part to koi dilu tomalogo ekhini tomaloge sai ei holeke saba nohoy. Okay, from here I am going to show again. This is C, secure question. So this one, this is the formula. So use according to lens formula you can write. This is not lens, mirror. Okay, mirror formula you write. Okay, up to here you do. Then go to this set. Okay, go to this set. Then come to this set again. Here. Okay, up to here. That's also, that is from the lens diopter. You see, so power of a lens, this P equal to 1 by F in SI unit, that means in meter. You write this one. Now P is given there, that is minus 2D diopter. So now we need F. So F equal to 1 by 2, half, this equal to minus, yes, minus 0.5 meter. So concave lens has negative focal length, so it is a concave lens. So now one thing you remember, in case of concave lens, mind it, f equal to focal length is negative, mind it, and therefore opposite of this one is convex lens. Okay, so f equal to there in what? Positive. This is most important one. This term you always remember this one. Concave lens of focus doighyo to hoday negative hobo aru convex lens of focus doighyo to hoday positive hobo. Ei bostu tu amar janibologia kotha iyan. Aru 17 to tomalokok solve kori dia hoise. You see. So this is not harder one. You use the formula only. P equal to 1 by F. Okay. This question only 2 marks. For 2 marks it may come. Okay. This one used to come for 1 marks. The magnification produced by plane mirror is +1. What does this means? Homotol dapunoy tar bibordhon 1 dekhwale +1 dekhwale yar ortho ki ite moi to eta bor sohos ke likhisu. The positive sign means image from by plane mirror is virtual and erect. So you can write this one also. So this is here. I explain this one for your betterment. But you write from there here to here. It shows that the image from by the mirror, plane mirror, is of the same size as that of the object. The positive side shows that the image from is virtual and erect. So this can write this one easily. Only for 1 marks this may come. Okay. So now 14 is there. So one problem there. This problem 3 marks may come. Okay. So you find out this one, u equal to 20 centimeter from there, that is minus, since that is what given, what given, what is given in front of a convex mirror. Okay, be careful. So that will be negative. Then object height is given, that is h naught 5 centimeter. Radius of curvature we know, that is 30. So radius of curvature 2 into focal length, this one. So we know that r equal to twice f. Use this one. F equal to then what? 30 by 2. This equal to 15. So 30 by 2. This equal to 15. This will be f. Focal length have to find out yourself, this one. So use the formula. This is your formula. I already solved this one. Okay. Use this formula and put the value according to there. এতিয়া তোমালকে এই সূত্ৰটো প্ৰয়োগ কৰি দিয়া আৰু তাত মানবিলাক বহুৱাই দিয়া। ওকে, আমি প্ৰথম v2 পাম 8.57 centimeter. এতিয়া পজিশনটো চাও। The positive sign of v indicates the image is what? From behind the mirror. গতিকে দাপনখনৰ পিছফালে কি হ'ব? প্ৰতিবিম্বটো গঠন হ'ব। এটা ম্যাগনিফিকেশনটো হ'ব এটো তোমাৰ ইমেজ ডিসটেন্সটো অবজেক্ট ডিসটেন্সটো হৰণ কৰা। Image distance divided by object distance. অসমীয়াত কলে object distance এ image distance ক হৰণ কৰিব লাগে। এতিয়া আমি পালো এটা সেন্টিমিটাৰ লিখি দিবা cm. Okay, এতিয়া image from is actually virtual, hence that is magnification is positive. Magnification to যেহেতু positive, গতিকে image to সদায় virtual হ'ব। Now m magnification, that will be what? Height of image and height of object. Okay, হেতু আমি জানো। ইমেজৰ যেটো উচ্চতা আৰু লক্ষ্য বস্তুটোৰ যেটো উচ্চতা আৰু প্ৰতিবিম্বৰ উচ্চতা এটা হৰণ কৰি দিলে ওলাই যায়। এতিয়া আমি উলিয়াব লাগে h1, গতিকে h1 টো এফালে লৈ আনিলো, m টোৱে ম্যাগনিফিকেশন টোৱে আমি এটো h0 টো পূৰণ কৰি দিলে আমি আনসাৰটো পাম। আশা ৰাখিছো তোমালোকে এইখিনি কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হ'বা। মই এই কাৰণে দিছো যাতে তোমালোকে ঘৰত প্ৰেক্টিস কৰিব পাৰা। I use this process because I hope that you can able to practice at home by seeing this one. Question number 9, that is 1/2 of a convex lens is covered with a black paper. Will this lens produce complete image of the object? Verify the answer experimentally. Your answer you can and explain this one. So I wrote the yes, it will produce a complete image of the object. Yes, it will half or full, no question, it will from complete image there. So now I wrote this one here. It complete eta সম্পূৰ্ণ প্ৰতিবিম্ব গঠন কৰিব। এটো আমি লিখি দিছো আৰু তাৰ দুটা মই কেস দি দিছো, এক্সপেৰিমেন্ট দি দিছো, তোমালকে চাব পাৰা। এটো তোমালকৰ কিতাপতে আছে, পঢ়ি লবা। ওকে, but don't do mistake while drawing this diagram. এই ডায়াগ্ৰামটো লিখোতে কিন্তু কেতিয়াও ভুল নকৰিবা। You practice at home again and again. Otherwise you cannot able to draw this type of diagram. Not only this one, another case also. Okay, so this one you see. Okay, so I want to show this one once more. আৰু এবাৰ তোমালোকক দেখুৱাই দিছো। মই পুনৰ কলো এইখিনি মই এই কাৰণে কৈছো যাতে তোমালোকে ঘৰত পঢ়িবলৈ সুবিধা পৰা, যেহেতু ক্লাস বিটাক ভাল ধৰণে হোৱা নাই, হৈছে যদিও তোমালোকৰ এতিয়া এটা শৰ্ট পিৰিয়ডত, শৰ্ট ডিউৰেশন অফ টাইমত তোমালোকৰ কি হ'ব এইখিনি সম্পূৰ্ণ এক্সপ্লেইন কিমান দূৰ কৰিব পাৰে এটিখিনি জানিবলৈ অলপ দিগদাৰ আছে। So in a short period of your class time, though your classes are started, it is very difficult to explain properly. Of course, if teacher will try, they can able to manage this one. Yes, okay, it will depend both teachers, students. Yes, hope that all teacher will solve and explain properly this one. Jodi kiba problem thake, you can able to ask me by using my Telegram groups. Okay, thank you. Next question, that is given here. You see, this question used to come in your exam also. See, be careful. Yes, অসমীয়াত তোমালকে 5 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো চাই লবা আৰু তাৰ উত্তৰটো লিখিবা। For distance vision you can write this one. এটো কোনো টান শব্দ নাই, ইয়াত ইমান টান শব্দ নাই, you can able to translate this one easily. Okay, okay, okay. So I want to show once more this one. This is from ICE 1. So kur jitu problem ase he problem tur pra loa hoise. Okay. Question 6 also want to solve from there. This is the question 6. So this will come this one. So I have shown this one. Thinking about that, you can able to practice at home. Yes. Okay. Once more you see. Okay. যাতে ঘৰত তোমালকে এইখিনি চাই প্ৰেক্টিস কৰিব পৰা ইয়াৰ পৰা কিবা নহয় কিবা এটা উপকাৰ হ'ব it will give something benefit to you all yes hoping that you will practice at home and increase your timetable I am repeating this one again increase your timetable so that you can able to score more marks because see if you will not study properly definitely that is only your loss not other loss yes so be careful obey discipline practice your everything yes and don't try to cheat others yes suppose you have given the mobile you don't use this one in a wrong way say YouTube is many more channel there you can able to search everything there and you can able to use this media in a beneficial aspect way okay but don't use in the wrong way okay hope you will increase your timetable and repeat again and again if you are not understanding then contact with your teachers okay thank you